Here I have Honor 10X Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Huawei AM61 Sport headphones to this device. So to do this, you firstly have to go to the upper bar, enable Bluetooth, and go to the Bluetooth section and start searching to the available devices. Then to pair these headphones with your phone, they must be turned off, and when they turned off, you just have to hold down this power button here and hold it till it starts to flash like red and like this, red and blue lights. And now they will appear here in the available devices. Let's try to connect to them. And then tap pair. And as you can see, now I have these headphones connected to my device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.